Hey there everybody, welcome to my channel and to today's video. My name is Amy and this is Dolly Mama's Daily Life. And on this channel I talk about things that interest me. I talk about all sorts of things. I talk about makeup, I talk about budget, saving money, bargain shopping, and K-pop. And today is a K-pop related video. What I'm going to be doing for you guys today is I'm going to be unboxing the Stray Kids Karma album. I received this from my girlfriend Carly for my birthday, and I am going to unbox it for you, and I'm going to see what photo card I received in my album. So if you're not familiar with K-pop albums always contain a photo card of a member and exclusive like booklets and collection stuff. So we're gonna open Karma together today and we're going to see who I got. So if you're interested in seeing this unboxing of Karma, please keep watching. Remember to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're informed of when I post future videos. So let's just get into it. This isn't gonna take long. Okay, we're gonna rip off the plastic. And yeah, so here we go. This is Karma. This is the Stray Kids' most recent comeback. And this just has a nice little easy to open flap. And I'm going to open it and I am going to see what's inside. Okay, here is the, oh my gosh, it's Bang Chan. That's Bang Chan. Look. Let's see, do I have photo cards of everybody? Oh my gosh, okay, there's Changmin. That's Changmin, okay. And then I have, this is Hyunjin, right here, Hyunjin. Han. Where's my boyfriend? Okay, here's Delilah's favorite. This is Felix. This is my boyfriend right here. This is Sungmin. I love him so much. Here we go. We've got Ian. Okay, he's the baby of the group. And we should have Lino. Oh, maybe Lino's my photo card. So this, I didn't get Lino here, so I think I have Lino as my photo card. So Lino is the lead dancer, and I don't see one of the big cards with Lino. So let's see who I got. Okay, so this appears to be, this is another piece of the album. Okay, so let me see. Okay, I've got a photo of all of them right here. This is Stray Kids. This will go somewhere on my backdrop. Okay, because I don't have a photo of them. So here is their fourth album, and this is the photo book that it comes with. Okay, super excited about this. I love these photo books. Oh, there's my okay. Well, it appears I have two photo cards, and I have Chan and Hyunjin. Chan and Hyunjin. Okay, they came with the photo album. I'm trying to see if I have any more cards in here. I don't, but let me just show you Sungmin because he's my favorite. Where's he at? Okay, so this is my favorite right here. This is Sungmin. That's Sungmin. Okay, and he's my favorite member of Stray Kids, and I'm super excited about that. So these are my Karma photo cards. I got Hyunjin, Crystal, eat your heart out, and Chan. There you go, Carly, you got Chan. Okay, Bang Chan, and Bang Chan's the leader, and Hyunjin is the lead visual. So I'm super excited about that. So that's the photo book. Let's see what this is. Is this the album? I don't know. I don't have a card of Lino. Yeah, this must be it. Karma. This is the actual CD. Fourth mini album. Why do I not have a photo of Lino? Why do I not? Did I miss it? Okay, well, those are my photo cards. I have Bang Chan and Hyunjin. Let me see if I can find my large Lino card. I must have missed it. Okay, so here's Ian, Sungmin, Felix, Han, Hyunjin, Bang Chan, or no, that's Changbin. Oh, here he is. Here's Lino. I found him. He's right there. Lino. Okay, so there's Lino. So there's 8 members of Stray Kids, and they are amazing. In case you guys didn't know, if you need an introduction to Stray Kids, I suggest Maniac is how I was introduced to them. But my favorite song is called Backdoor, and I also like, which is the song that just came, La La La. La 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 La. I better not. I might get demonetized. I'm not monetized at all. So, yeah. Let me open, one second. Let me open this little bad boy because I think these are more cards. But my photo cards, ooh, how do I open? Oh, there it goes. Okay. Let me open this bad boy. So this is the Karma Comeback. So this is their fourth album, fourth full-length album. Okay, so listen, I think I got one of each guy. Okay, so here we go. That's Bang Chan. Okay, I love this album. This is so awesome. Thank you, Carly. Lino. They're probably going to go in order, okay? So Lino, Bang Chan, Lino, Changbin. He's the lead rapper. Part of Three Racha is the rap line, which includes Bang Chan, Changbin, and Han. This is Hunjin. Okay, there's Hunjin. Here is Han. I'm about to lose my mind because next is Felix and then Seungmin. Oh, okay. I'm gonna lose my heart. My heart just went into my heart just went into my throat. Here's Felix. Seungmin. That's my boyfriend. And Ian. Okay, I love this album, Carly. Thank you so much. Photo cards again. Bang Chan and Hunjin, wonderful. This is back. It's so great. Karma album is out now. If you're interested in it, I will have it linked somewhere. But thank you so much, Carly, for this wonderful gift. I'm so excited, and I really appreciate you, and I love you so much. And I'm going to say, oh, and we're going to end the video differently today because the Stray Kids say something different than BTS. And this is a Stray Kids video. And it says, Stray Kids everywhere, all around the world, you make Stray Kids stay. So I'm proud to be a stay. This is the Karma album. I'm super thrilled to have it. Thank you so much to Carly. And I'm so excited. This is the first Stray Kids album that I actually own. So thank you so much. You make Stray Kids stay. Stray Kids stay. And I'm going to leave you the blessing. Go in peace to love and serve the Lord. Amen, Jesus. And may the force be with you always. Okay, thank you. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.